This is the home page. On the left you have the whole menu. From the top to the bottom you have View Profile, Create a new quiz, Find a quiz. This is where you browse lots of already created quizzes from other users. This is good if you want to play something but you don't have time to do it. For example, if you're in class and for some reason you want your students to play a quiz about something that you had not planned. This button is also at the top of the screen. My Quizzes. Here you can find the quizzes that you have created or the ones that you have taken from other users. Report. A nice feature where you can go and check the results of all the quizzes you have played, from the most recent ones to the older ones. Classes. A new option in Quizziz. Basically, you add your students to a class. To join, they need to have an account, but alternatively, you can import directly your classroom from Google if you have it. Having a classroom in Quizziz will make it a lot easier to share your quizzes with your students. Collections. These are basically folders where you can organize your quizzes by subject. Memes. Memes are images with text on them and are used as feedback by this program. They are shown to the students after each answer, no matter if it's wrong or correct. It is a good way to keep their motivation and to learn by having fun. Profile. Here you can add your school. Choose a profile picture and add information about yourself. Settings. It's always a good start to explore this section in every program. Here, for example, you can change how often Quizziz sends you notifications, the language of the platform, or delete your account. Let's click the word Quizzes to go back to the home page. On the left, the second option of the menu is My Quizzes. Let's click here and then select our quiz. In this space, under the first box, you have three big buttons: Live Quiz, Homework, and Solo Game. Select Solo Game if you want to play your own quiz to preview it and check if there are any mistakes. Click Live Game. Before launching the quiz, it is useful to check the settings that appear here in this page. This is a good practice for every quiz program. You can see that you can turn off or on the question timer, the shuffling options, and on the bottom you can select a meme set. When you've checked all the settings, go back to the top of the page and click Host Game. To join the game, your students will simply have to go to the home page of Quizziz and without making an account, press Join Game, enter their code and their names, and then they will appear as players on your screen. When you see that everybody has joined the game, you can click Start. You don't need to show your screen to the students, since they will see the questions and the answers on their devices. You just need to give them the quiz code.